Assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody. Hello. Tonight, I'm gonna prepare Indian Bangladeshi greasy rice, oily rice, Polao rice, which is very delicate meal for our continent uh, with Basmati rice, and I'm gonna prepare it and I'm gonna show you how to cook it. So I have here some sliced onion, thinly sliced, like one or one and a half, and I have here bay leaf, cardamom, and cinnamon, little bit for aromatic spice, and here I have uh, like garlic powder, one teaspoon, 1 teaspoon ground pepper, and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. So this is all the elements. So I'm gonna start doing it. So I'm gonna do it in the rice cooker. So this is usually people in our continent, they make it on the stove, but rice cooker is the easiest way to do it. So I find it very convenient, so I show you with rice cooker. So here, rice cooker, uh, I rice cooker, I put mustard oil mustard oil, like 6 to 7 spoon. I put it here, and I'm gonna pour the onion here, and I saute. I turn on the rice cooker, and I put on saute. Then it's gonna be cooking little bit while after. We'll be right back. Now it's in saute mode. Here I show you cooking the with oil and onion. I put some green chili, 3-4. I put here, little bit brown. Wait to be brown little bit. You can use any kind of oil, olive oil, vegetable oil, or butter oil. People usually use butter oil, but I prefer olive oil because one of my friends suggested me that in our country, Dhaka city, usually restaurant they use mustard oil. This mustard oil is better for pulao rice and biryani. I put little bit of salt, like a spoon, or a little bit more, 1.5 spoon. Now I'm gonna pour the aromatic spice, bay leaf, cardamom, and the cinnamon. I pour it here. After I have here garlic ginger paste. Usually in Indian store you can find it. Garlic ginger paste. I put it like 1 tablespoon, little more, and then I pour the all the spices. I put it here: garlic powder, cumin powder, and ground pepper. Little while after, I'm gonna pour. I have rice here, basmati rice, Indian basmati rice. I wash it with water. I have like 3 pot, rice pot like this measure, or any measuring cup, 1 cup. I put 3 cup, so I pour it here. Now I move with the stick little bit to mix with the spices, and it's in saute mode. For 1 cup of rice, 3 cup rice I put it here. So every 1 cup I'm gonna put 1.5 cup hot water. So I have 3 cups rice here, basmati rice. So I'm gonna put proportionally 4.5 cup hot water in there after it's gonna be done. Okay, so little while after I'm gonna put the water. I have water ready here. I have water ready here, 4.5 cup, measuring with this same rice pot where I put the rice with this pot, 3 cups, and here I have 4.5 cup hot water, warm water. So I'm gonna pour it soon. Little bit cooking the rice, dry rice with the oil. Now I can leave the water here. The main thing is done already, and it's gonna be cooking after 10, 15 or 20 minutes. It's gonna be ready, the pulao rice. Before you put the cover, you taste the salt if it's okay. So I'm gonna test it with my hand. Salt is, I think, little bit more needed. So I'm gonna put little bit more. That's it. And now I do cover the rice cooker, cover it up, and it's gonna be cooking a while. After we're gonna see. Now it's after a while, 15 to 20 minutes. The rice cooker rice is ready, pulao rice is ready. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Look, the rice is ready, and the rice cooker automatically turned off and in heating mode. Uh, and now I'm gonna for the now you can enjoy the rice with curry, veggie curry, or chicken curry or beef curry. You can enjoy anything, or fried chicken, anything beside dishes. So for the extra curriculum, I'm gonna put some here, the food color. It's not obvious, if you can use it, food color, for the extra beauty of the rice. I usually use it to look it good, but it's not necessary. You can use it or not use it. So I'm gonna put little bit here, little bit, and I put water, little bit, and then I'm gonna pour with making a hole here, a little bit. I make a hole, with the stick, spoon stick, and I pour the food color, orange food color, little bit into the hole. And that's it. The rice is ready to enjoy. I can move little bit the rice and the color, mix it. Rice is ready. Side dishes, you need something, because you cannot eat rice, only rice. you need side dishes, anything vegetable, chicken curry, beef curry, or fried chicken, anything you prepare is gonna be good meal with the pulao rice. Thank you very much, and next time I will try to do something more, inshallah. Until then, take care and see you later. Bye.